Good morning, everyone. How are you today?
Good morning, Miss. I'm
Morning, Miss.
fine. How about
I'm
you?
fine.
I'm fine too. Thank you for asking. Okay, before we start our lesson, let's pray according to our own belief. Pray begin, finish. I will take the attendance list first. First from Mentira,
Present, Miss.
Desi Putri,
Present, Miss.
Rahma Ayu,
Present, Miss.
Kaisha Sabina,
Present, Miss.
and the last one is Fazar Susilo.
Present, Miss.
Okay, so before we begin today's lesson, I will share the PPT first. Hold on. Okay, is it visible? Kelihatan ya layarnya?
Yeah,
Kelihatan,
Miss.
Miss.
Okay. Right. Before we begin today's lesson, I'd like to ask you a couple of questions. Um, there are no right or wrong answer, just answer based on your own experience. First, Fazar, my first question is for you. What do you usually say when you meet someone, whether you know them or not, on the street?
I usually say hello, good morning.
Okay, very good. Yes, we usually greet people. We usually greet people first. Sometimes we also ask, "How are you?" or simply smile and say, "Hi." Great job, Fazar. Now, Kaisha, here's the second question. How do you usually start your presentation? For example, when you are presenting in front of your classmates or speaking at a seminar with people you don't know.
I usually say good morning, everyone, and then I introduce myself.
Okay, excellent. That's a very good way to start a presentation. We usually greet the audience first and then introduce ourselves before talking about the topic. So, as you can see, introducing ourselves itu tuh nggak hanya digunain pas kita lagi meeting atau lagi ketemu seseorang aja, tapi kita bisa gunain juga pas lagi presentasi atau misalnya kita join kompetisi kayak gitu ya, atau misalnya lagi interview itu biasanya kita memperkenalkan diri kita. So, today we are going to learn how to introduce ourselves in English. Let's get started. Now let's take a look at our learning objectives for today's lesson. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to first introduce yourselves orally. This means you can tell other people about yourself in English, such as your name, age, where you live, your hobbies, and your dream. Second, ask and answer simple personal information. For example, kayak misalnya what's your name, terus where do you live, and then what are your hobbies, and of course, we will also learn how to answer those questions confidently. Then, terakhir, perform a short self-introduction confidently. Nah, di akhir itu nanti kalian akan mencoba untuk memperkenalkan diri kalian gitu. Jadi, don't worry about making mistakes, karena ini tuh kayak kesempatan kalian buat belajar. Oke, next ya. Before we practice introducing ourselves, let's learn some important vocabulary. These words will help you talk about yourself. Please repeat after me, okay? First, hobby.
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 Hobby means hobby. And then, hometown.
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 Hometown means kota asal. Then dream.
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 Okay, dream means cita-cita. And then friendly.
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 Friendly means ramah. And then the last one is student.
Student. Student.
Student means siswa. Excellent, everyone. Now you know some important vocabulary that you can use when introducing yourself. Now, we learn some useful expressions. These expressions will help you introduce yourself and ask for personal information. Let's look at the first section. This is introducing yourself. First is my name is. We use this expression to tell people our names. For example, my name is Mentira or my name is Rahma. Ya. Next, I am blah 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 years old. Nah, ini tuh buat ngomongin umur kalian. For example, I am 16 years old, I am 20 years old, like that. And then I live in. Ini untuk membicarakan kalian tuh tinggal di mana gitu. For example, I live in Depok, I live in Jakarta. And then my hobby is. Ini untuk menceritakan hobi kalian, sesuatu yang biasa kalian lakuin. For example, my hobby is playing guitar, like that. And then my dream is to be. Ini untuk menceritakan mimpi kalian. For example, my dream is to be a teacher. Mimpi aku itu mau jadi guru, seperti itu. And then, let's learn how to ask someone for personal information. The first questions are, what's your name? And then, where do you live? Terus kalau misalnya kalian kepo nih, penasaran sama hobi orang, kalian bisa tanya, what are your hobbies? And then, what is your dream? Ini untuk menanyakan mimpi. Kayak mereka tuh mau jadi apa sih ketika nanti dewasa, atau mungkin goal mereka di hidup mereka, kayak gitu. And now, let's practice using the expressions we've just learned. This activity is called Let's Get to Know Each Other. I'd like 3 volunteers to introduce themselves. Don't worry if you make mistakes, yeah. We are here to learn together. Let's start with Mentira. Mentira, you can tell us what's your name, how old are you, where do you live, and what is your hobby. Go ahead.
Hello everyone. My name is Mentira. I'm 16 years old. I live in Jakarta and my hobbies are singing and cooking. That's all, Miss.
Okay, excellent, Mentira. Thank you for introducing yourself. Well done. Now, let's hear from Rahma. Rahma, could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, Miss. Hello, everyone. My name is Rahma. I am 15 years old. I live in Bekasi. My hobbies are watching movies and playing games.
Okay, very good, Rahma. You spoke clearly and confidently. Now, it's your turn, Daisy. Please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Desi. I am 15 years old. I live in Bekasi. My hobbies are cooking and listening to music.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you, Daisy. Now, great job, everyone. All of you did a fantastic job introducing yourselves. Did you notice that everyone used the expressions we learned earlier, such as my name is, I am years old, I am blah 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 years old, and then I live in, and then my hobby is, ya kan? Mereka tuh pakai expression yang udah kita pelajarin tadi. Nah, this expression tuh very useful when introducing yourself in English. Oke, kalian kan udah pelajarin kan gimana caranya introduce yourself. Nah, it's time to see how these expressions are used in a real conversation. In a moment, you are going to work with a partner. But before you do that, kalian akan baca kayak practice gitu. Akan ada contoh praktisnya dulu. Nah, Miss minta Mungkin Fazar and Kak Isya ya to read the dialogue. Please read the dialogue clearly and confidently. Kalau gitu berarti Fazar jadi Andi and then Kak Isya jadi Sinta. Let's go.
Okay, Nias. Good morning. My name is Andy, and what's your name?
Good morning, my name is Sinta.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
And where do you live?
I live in Bogor. How about you?
Uh, I live in Cianjur. Uh, what are your hobbies?
I like playing football. What about you?
I like reading books.
Okay.
Okay, thank you Fazar and Kak Isya. Now let's review the dialogue together. Did you notice that they started the conversation? How they started the conversation? Kalian notice nggak? Tadi tuh mereka gimana? They greeted each other right? Okay. So they started with a greeting and introduced themselves politely. Then they asked and answered simple personal information such as their name, ya kan? My name is Andy, my name is Sinta, and then uh, where they live, yang mereka tinggal di Bogor, ada juga yang di Cianjur, and then their hobbies. These are the expressions that we learned earlier. Okay, now it's your turn to practice. Let's move on to our paired work activity. I'd like you to work with your partner and create a short dialogue. In your dialogue, please include the following information. Jadi di dialognya harus ada name, harus ada age, hometown, and your hobby. Remember to use the expressions that we learned today. You can start with a greeting, introducing yourself, and ask your partner some questions and answer the question politely. You will have 3 minutes to prepare and practice your dialogue. If you have any question, please raise your hand and I'll be happy to help you. Is the instruction clear?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, great. Please work with your partner now. You have 3 minutes. Okay, time's up everyone. I hope you finished practicing your dialogue. Now I'd like one pair to coba untuk perform your dialogue ya. Siapa nih? Maybe Rahma and Desi?
Yes,
Hey,
Miss.
Miss.
Hello,
Hi,
my name is Rahma. What is your name?
my name is Desi. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How old are you?
I am 22 years old. How about you?
I am 21 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Bekasi. How about you?
Oh yeah? I also live in Bekasi.
Really? That's great. Maybe we can catch up next time.
Sure, that sounds great.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is watching movies. What about you?
My hobby is listening to music.
It was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you too. Thank you.
Yay, excellent Rahma and Desi. Thank you ya. Let's give them a big round of applause. You both did a great job. I like how you greeted each other, asked questions politely, and answered in complete sentences. Excellent work. Now it's time for the final activity. Nah, this time I'd like each of you to introduce yourself. Please speak for about 1 minute. Remember to include the following information. Ya, kayak misal ada your name, ada age, school, hometown, family, and hobbies, and also your dream. The most important thing is to speak confidently and do your best. So don't worry if you make a few mistakes. Okay, would anyone like to volunteer first? Maybe Fazar? Fazar, do you want to try?
Yeah, okay, Miss. Uh, my name is Pajar Susrono Radiansah, and my age is 23 years old, and my school is in Unindra, and my hometown is in Bogor, and my family
Maybe you can
is
say, yeah, you have berapa sister?
okay. Thank you, Miss, for your information. And for my family, I have two big brother and one big sister.
Okay.
And my hobbies is playing football. And my dream is to be a live streamer, Miss.
Okay. Finish? Okay,
Yeah,
thank you,
finish, Miss.
Fazar. Excellent. You spoke clearly and confidently. I also like how you introduce yourself in complete sentences. Let's give Fazar a big round of applause. Now, who would like to be next? Mentira, would you?
Pleasure, Miss. Okay. Good morning, everyone. My name is Mentira. I'm 15 years old and I study at Pakuan Senior High School and I live in Jakarta with my older sister. My hobbies are cooking and singing. My favorite subject is biology and my dream is to become a doctor because I want to help many people. Thank you. That's all, Miss.
Okay, thank you, Mentira. Well done. You spoke confidently and gave all the required information. Keep up the good work. Let's give Mentira another round of applause. Excellent, everyone. I'm very proud of all of you. Today, you practice introducing yourself and speaking in front of the class with confidence. Now, let's review your performance together. First ada loud voice ya, most of you itu udah oke ya, suaranya udah kencang dan udah bisa didengar gitu. Jadi oke, that's great. And then correct pronunciation. Overall, your pronunciation was good, meskipun ada beberapa yang masih perlu diperhatikan lagi, tapi nggak apa-apa. Itulah gunanya kita belajar ya kan. And then complete information. Most of you included all the required information such as your name, age, school, hometown, family, hobbies, and dreams. Well done. And then confidence. I'm proud that many of you spoke confidently in front of the class. Jadi kalian tadi udah keren banget, udah percaya diri ngomongnya. And then remember, it's okay to make mistakes ya. Making mistakes is part of learning a new language. So the more you practice speaking English, the more confident you will become. Overall, you all did a wonderful job today. Then, before we end today's lesson, let's review what we've learned today. Today, we learned about how to introduce ourselves and how to ask for personal information. And the last one, how to speak confidently in English. Keep practicing English every day because practice makes progress. Before we end our class, does anyone have any questions?
No, Miss.
Oke, udah jelas semuanya ya. Thank you for your participation today. See you in our next lesson. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Miss. Have a
Thank
nice
you,
Thank you,
day.
Miss.
Miss.
Okay.